Look, it's okay to say you miss me, okay? I'ma still be here. I'ma still hold you down. I got you. I got you. Hey, you know what it is. You know what I got for you. You know what you came for. I got more customs for you and these gonna be short. I got some Vans today. We gonna do 2 pairs cause why not? And it's gonna be 90s style. That's the theme. We throwing it back. You can't go wrong with cartoons. That's nostalgic for me right there. And probably you guys too. Hopefully it is. You missed out though. If you don't know these, we're gonna do Rugrats and Pokemon. I mean, come on. Those is classic. I might have to keep these for myself or make myself a pair cause these go crazy. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I hope you guys doing all right. I hope you guys are good. Have a good weekend and whatnot. Scrubbing your cheeks. You're staying squeaky clean. So yeah, you know how it go. Like, subscribe if you want to. If you don't mess with me, then it is what it is. And look, down in the comment section, you guys let me know which edit you liked more. The first custom or the second custom. Let me know. Let me know, okay? Let's go. Alright, that's the first custom done right there. We got the Rugrats out of the way. Up next, we got Pokemon, okay? And I don't know about you guys, but when I think of Pokemon, all I think about is Jesse and James. Like, they so dumb. They always had me cracking up as a kid. Like, what they be doing, I'm gonna cut a clip right now.
I can't believe James is gone!
I miss him! James is standing right here!
Oh, that's right. I'm all mixed up! Stop this mad woman!
Just to give you those vibes. And it's with guess who? The boy Mimikyu, a personal favorite of mine. So yeah, we about to get into that custom right now, okay? That's it. That's all I got for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun doing this one. Always fun doing the classics, the 90s cartoons, 90s baby. But yeah, let me know which one you guys liked more. And if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe if you want to. But most of all, stay safe. Have a good day. Treat yourself. And clean your cheeks, okay? Keep them clean. I'm out.